So yesterday we were talking about time and how technology can be a time sink or free up your time. And that's also true for your team. But what we want to think about how we manage our time, budget, and ability to learn new technologies. And as we get older, our ability to pick up new technologies seems to wane. I think just because we get bored more quickly more than anything. It's just like, I don't really care. And that's a problem because you need to learn these tools. A really simple example, I've got a couple of clients whose typing is terrible. It's just like, spend 5 minutes a day practicing your typing. It will save you hours and hours and hours every month. Or if you've got really severe dyslexia or something, use voice recognition. I think it's worth learning to type still. If you're spending hours and hours going through emails every day, learn some techniques to manage those emails more effectively and reduce the noise. You can train your team. I've talked about this before. Stop CCing people and BCCing people in emails they don't need. Stop replying great thanks. There's lots of things you can do in terms of training to make you and your team more effective. And then I mentioned as well previously, people buy these line of business applications and they're using them improperly, not to do the job because they're too scared to implement it properly. They need bit of project management to push it through. And if that sounds like you, get in touch. I can definitely help you with that because that's what I do. I sit between technology and people, the leadership team in your organization, and make sure you're using IT as well as you can. It's just a conversation. It's not technobabble, acronyms, blah, blah, blah. So if that sounds useful, please get in touch. My contact details is below. And also if you've got any thoughts, please comment below. Thanks for watching.